In the pursuit of sustainability, one company is at the forefront of revolutionizing industrial energy systems with advanced biomass solutions and innovative combustion technologies. Welcome to Steamax Envirocare, your partner in clean energy innovations. Since 2009, we've been committed to helping industries across India transition to sustainable energy by offering eco-friendly biomass solutions and advanced technologies.
Over the years, Steamax has gradually become a synonym for biomass. When industries look to transition away from fossil fuel and shift towards clean biomass fuel, Steamax comes first to their mind. And what drives our team is the commitment to bring forward innovative solutions that are scalable to bring meaningful changes in the industry as well as our environment.
I am Rakesh Mahajan. I am the founder director of Steamax Envirocare Pvt. Many good companies who were initially on oil and gas, we have somehow been able to convince them to work out some environmental friendly solutions, wherein we started on conversion of existing oil and gas fired boilers to manual fed biomass. With the time, we are now giving solutions wherein the fuel feeding etc. is totally auto feed control. There is an increase in efficiency and cost of heat or cost of steam is getting drastically reduced.
Our mission is clear: to optimize industrial energy efficiency by reducing emissions and fuel costs, driving the transition towards a sustainable and compliant future. Our flagship product, the oil/gas to biomass retrofit kit, seamlessly converts existing oil or gas-fired systems to biomass, delivering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative without compromising operational efficiency. The non-IBR boiler, BioCoil, is engineered for high thermal efficiency, offering industries reliable and consistent steam generation while ensuring reduced emissions and compliance with environmental standards. Our high-efficiency bag filters are designed to capture particulate matter with superior filtration precision, ensuring compliance with air quality regulations and enhancing overall process efficiency. The advanced biomass burners provide optimized combustion with precise control, enabling industries to achieve consistent heat output while reducing their carbon footprint and fuel costs. As Steamax, our patented biomass fuel is engineered for high calorific value and low moisture content, ensuring efficient combustion and minimal ash generation for enhanced boiler performance.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम आनंद चंदे है और मैं स्टीमैक्स एनवायरोकेयर में टेक्निकल डिपार्टमेंट को हेड करता हूँ। बेसिकली स्टीमैक्स एनवायरोकेयर जो है वो 3 वर्टिकल्स बिजनेस में काम करती है। एक है हम लोग जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग ऑयल एंड गैस पावर्ड बॉयलर्स है उसको बायोमास में रेट्रोफिटिंग कर रहे हैं। सेकेंडली हम लोग अभी जो कोल एंड पेटकोक फायर बॉयलर्स है उसको भी बायोमास में रेट्रोफिटिंग कर रहे हैं। एंड थर्ड, हम लोग सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं लाइक ऑपरेशंस, मेंटेनेंस एंड बायोमास फ्यूल सप्लाई। तो बेसिकली अभी हम लोगों ने नंबर ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स जो है अक्रॉस द इंडिया ऑयल एंड गैस टू बायोमास रेट्रोफिटिंग में किए हुए हैं। हमारा फोकस है कि कस्टमर्स को एक तो राइट अप्रोच देना, राइट गाइडलाइंस देना, कस्टमाइज सॉल्यूशन देना, उनको बेटर इंजीनियरिंग गुड्स इक्विपमेंट्स जो है वो सप्लाई करना एंड थर्ड एक बेटर सर्विसेज देना।
At our state-of-the-art facilities, rigorous quality control ensures that every product meets the highest standards. Biomass energy is renewable, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and offers a dependable alternative to fossil fuels. Our dedicated R&D team is continually innovating to bring the latest advancements in biomass technology to our clients. Together with our clients, we've achieved remarkable milestones in reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainability. Our solutions are trusted by industry leaders, delivering tangible benefits across diverse applications.
Our approach goes beyond retrofitting. We focus on turnkey solutions. So, whenever any industry shifts from any fossil fuel such as oil, gas, coal, etc. to biomass, they don't just need a technology to shift from fossil to biomass, but they are also looking for fuel supply as well as skilled professionals to manage their systems on biomass. And that's why we offer a comprehensive solution where we provide them with the technology, we take care of the all installation and erection, as well as we manage their fuel supply and provide workforce to manage their systems on biomass. With the rise of stricter environmental regulations, we have expanded ourselves into air pollution control devices such as cyclone, back filters, wet scrubbers, as well as ESPs. At Steamax, we are not just enabling the transformation of industries from fossil fuel to green fuel, but we are changing the energy landscape in India.
We hope to continue serving industry and helping them moving towards better environment, cleaner environment, and on a sustainable basis.